Well, the traction controls light stays on, and the transmission, and it don't shift gears.
Do you have any codes in the computer?
I didn't have it coded. I'm just seeing what's in front of the engine stuff's on.
So I assume your question to me is what could be causing this, is that correct?
Yes. Maybe I could fix it. Is it the transmission? What?
Do you have an ABS light on as well?
No, ABS light's not on. Thing on is TC and the engine light.
Usually the traction control light comes on if there's a faulty wheel speed sensor, and then usually the ABS light comes on at the same time. But to check engine lights on as well, I would recommend that you plug into the computer and check for codes using a compatible scan tool.
All right.
So it could be a simple sensor, but we won't know until we plug in there and check for codes, check for communication. Now, if you would like, you can get one of these scan tools on Amazon and have it delivered right to your door, or I can recommend a mobile mechanic to come out and take a look at it.
Oh, that'd probably be nice. What that would cost?
I don't know what they cost, what they charge. I could send you their information, and you're welcome to give them a call and find out and see if they'd be a good fit for you. Like me to send that over here in the chat once we're done?
Yes.
All right, I'll go ahead and send that right over. Any other questions while we're on the phone?
No.
I bet you they sent you some information. I would take a look there.
Well, then that seems... All right, well, thank you.
All right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.
You bet. Bye-bye.